DJI's dominance in the consumer drone market is undeniable, offering a range of models catering to various needs and budgets. Their flagship Mavic series prioritizes professional-grade features, while the Air series focuses on value and portability. With the recent release of the Air 3, speculation regarding a potential Air 4 has emerged, fueled by reliable industry insider Igor Bogdanov. This video explores the possibility of an Air 4 and its potential positioning within DJI's product lineup. The Mavic 3 series, with its multiple variants, Pro, Non-Pro, and Classic, has introduced some complexity for consumers. The Air 3, however, has garnered significant attention for offering comparable performance to the Mavic 3 at a more attractive price point, particularly in terms of transmission range. The rumors surrounding the Air 4 suggest DJI's continued commitment to the Air series value proposition. Bogdanov's recent image leak, featuring 4 batteries captioned #A4, has sent ripples of excitement through the drone enthusiast community. Notably, one battery appears larger than its Mavic 3 counterparts, hinting at a potential increase in flight time beyond the Air 3's already impressive 46 minutes. This could push the Air 4's flight time above the 50-minute mark, a significant advantage for content creators seeking extended capture windows. While the larger battery could spark speculation about a Mavic 4, DJI has a history of mid-cycle updates within their product lines. The Mavic Pro Platinum, Phantom 4 Pro, Air 2S, and Mavic 3 Pro all received significant upgrades without a complete model overhaul. These updates typically focused on improved flight times, sensor enhancements, and overall user experience. Following this trend, the Air 4 could introduce a larger camera sensor and extended flight time while retaining the Air series' signature form factor and affordability. This would position it as a compelling mid-range option for content creators seeking professional-grade features without the flagship Mavic 3 Pro's premium price tag. To truly challenge the Mavic 3 Pro as a budget-conscious alternative, the Air 4 would likely require additional features that cater to the evolving needs of content creators. The ever-growing popularity of social media content creation demands innovative solutions. Similar to the Mini 4 Pro, the Air 4 could benefit from vertical video recording capabilities. However, the Air 4's dual-camera design might necessitate innovative solutions for seamless implementation. Furthermore, improved dynamic range would allow the Air 4 to capture stunning visuals in challenging lighting conditions, while smoother transitions between the two cameras would elevate the overall production value. The question of whether DJI will release a Mavic 4 or an Air 4 remains unanswered. However, one thing is certain: DJI will prioritize striking a balance between features and affordability in their next iteration. The potential Air 4 could position itself as a powerful mid-range option, boasting extended flight time, a larger sensor, and social media-friendly features, all at a more accessible price point compared to the top-of-the-line Mavic 3 Pro. What features do you consider most crucial in a new DJI consumer drone? Share your insights in the comments below and participate in the ongoing conversation about the future of DJI's drone landscape. Will the Air 4 redefine the mid-range consumer drone market, or will DJI surprise us with an entirely new offering? Only time will tell.